Okay, you just hired the next greatest, bestest employee ever. What the heck do you put in their offer letter to make this legit? So there's going to be a ton of things that you're going to read online, but there are some things that are a necessity, and there's going to be some things that maybe just be fluff and add-on. But I'll give you a couple ideas. So you're going to want to have your company brand mark. You want to have this on letterhead. Contact information for you as the employer and the candidate. You're going to want to have an intro for the offer letter, job title, job description, compensation with base commissions, bonuses, etc., any profit shares if there are any, start date, an offer expiration date and time, other important dates, such as when maybe benefits or certain things are engaged, contingencies in the offer, so if they have to go undergo a background check or something like that, schedule, hours, benefits, PTO, right? Do they have company equipment that gets delivered to them or that they get to use, company car, mileage reimbursement, any policies that are pertinent to the role, termination, right? Policies around termination, non-compete agreement. Maybe that's something that's important for you. Conditions of employment, acceptance, right? They need to have somewhere at the bottom that they actually e-sign, right? Date and have their name for acceptance. Confidentiality, right? Performance expectations, work location. Is this remote job? Is it hybrid or is it in person? What address are they reporting to? Is it full-time or part-time? What's the employment status? Is this a W-2 employee or a 1099 contractor? Are they exempt or non-exempt? And then including at-will employment statement. So all these things could go into your offer letter.